Giraffe and Long Game reward users in completely different ways. So comparing them isn't just about which app pays more. It's about which earning model matches how you actually use your phone. By the end of this video, you'll know how each app works, which one has the better earning potential for most people, and which is the smarter choice in 2026. Here's the short answer. If your goal is earning rewards by playing mobile games, Giraffe is the more suitable option. If you're looking for an app that combines personal finance features with rewards, Long Game is designed for a different purpose. Giraffe focuses on mobile gaming. You browse eligible games inside the app, install them through the available offers, and earn rewards by completing qualifying gameplay activities. The available games and reward opportunities change over time, so what you see depends on your device, region, and current promotions. Long Game takes a different approach. Instead of rewarding gameplay, it is built around financial habits and savings features. The rewards available through the app are connected to that experience rather than completing levels in mobile games. Because the apps serve different audiences, one isn't automatically better than the other. If you already enjoy playing games on your phone, Giraffe fits naturally into your daily routine. If your priority is building better money habits, Long Game offers a different type of value. There's also a difference in the amount of time you'll spend inside each app. Giraffe encourages longer gameplay sessions as you work toward eligible milestones in different games. Long Game is typically something you check while managing your financial activity rather than using for extended gaming sessions. Before choosing either app, think about what you're actually trying to accomplish. If you're searching for a reward app to make gaming more worthwhile, Giraffe is the clearer choice. If you search for Long Game because you wanted another gaming rewards app, it's worth knowing that the two apps aren't direct competitors in the way many people expect. The best decision is to choose the app that matches your goal instead of comparing them only by rewards. An app built for gaming and an app built around financial habits solve different problems, even if both include incentives for users. The key points are simple. Giraffe is centered on earning rewards through eligible mobile games. Long Game focuses on financial engagement, and the better option depends on what you want from the app. Your next step is to decide whether you're looking for a gaming rewards platform or a finance-focused experience before downloading either one. If this comparison cleared things up, like the video and subscribe for more reward app comparisons, reviews, and practical guides.